WhatsApp has significantly enhanced its notification customization options, giving users more control over how they receive and distinguish between different types of messages and calls. Recent updates have brought enhanced notification controls with better integration for iOS 18 and Android 14 Plus. WhatsApp now offers more granular customization options while maintaining cross-platform consistency. WhatsApp offers several types of notifications that can be customized independently. These include message notifications, group chat notifications, call notifications, status update alerts, and business message alerts. iPhone and Android platforms offer different levels of customization. iPhone users can use system sounds and iTunes Store purchases with focus mode integration, while Android provides more flexibility with custom audio files and advanced notification channels. Customizing notification sounds provides several key benefits. You can distinguish between different contacts, separate work from personal messages, identify priority messages quickly, and reduce overall notification fatigue. You can customize individual contact sounds, set group-specific notifications, customize call ringtones, and adjust vibration patterns. These settings help create a personalized WhatsApp experience that works best for your communication needs. With these enhanced customization options, you can create a notification system that perfectly matches your communication style and preferences. Now let's walk through the exact steps to change your WhatsApp notification sounds on both iPhone and Android devices. Starting with iPhone users, the process involves navigating through WhatsApp's settings menu to access notification options. First, open WhatsApp and navigate to Settings, then tap on Notifications. This is where you'll find all the sound customization options. For individual contacts, you can set custom notification sounds by opening a specific chat, tapping the contact name, and selecting Custom Notifications. Important limitation for iPhone users: you can only use built-in system sounds or ringtones purchased from the iTunes Store. Custom audio files require conversion through iTunes or GarageBand. Now for Android users who have more flexibility in customizing notification sounds with support for custom audio files. For Android, navigate to WhatsApp Settings, then Notifications. You can customize message notifications and group notifications separately, with access to both system and custom sounds. Android's advantage is custom sound support. You can add your own audio files by placing them in the Notifications folder, then selecting them from WhatsApp's Sound Picker. For individual contacts on Android, open the chat, tap the three dots menu, select View Contact, then Custom Notifications to set specific sounds, vibrations, and even LED light colors. If you encounter issues with notification sounds not working, remember to check your device's Do Not Disturb settings and ensure WhatsApp has proper notification permissions in your system settings.